Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel Chroma Kids Creations. Today we are going to learn numbers from 11 to 30. So kid, fasten your seat belts. Let's take off to Numberland. Here we go. Kids, what can you see on the cloud? It's 11. E-L-E-V-E-N 11. Next is 12. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. Next is 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13. Next is 14. F-O-U-R 4 T-E-E-N teen is 14. Next is 15. F-I-F 50-E-E-N teen, it's 15. Next is 16. S-I-X 6 T-E-E-N teen, 16. Next is 17. S-E-V-E-N 7 T-E-E-N teen, 17. It's 17. Next is 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N 18. Next is 19. N-I-N-E 9 T-E-E-N teen, 19. It's 19. Next is 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y it's 20. Next is 21. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 O-N-E 1 it's 21. Next is T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 T-W-O 2 it's 22. Next is 23. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 T-H-R-E-E 3 it's 23. Next is 24. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 F-O-U-R 4 it's 24. Next is T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 F-I-V-E 5 it's 25. Next is 26. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 S-I-X 6 it's 26. Next is 27. T-W-E-N T Y 20 S E V E N 7. It's 27. Next is 28. T W E N T Y 20 E I G H T 8. It's 28. Next is 29. T W E N T Y 20 N I N E 9. It's 29. Last is 30. T H I R T Y 30. It's 30. Get ready to land. Here we go. So kids, we learned 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Thanks for joining us, sweeties. See you in the next video. Please like, subscribe and share.